right. All right, y'all. This next one that we're going to do is an original. It's called She's Gone. And no, it's not the Michael McDonald song. But you can find it on YouTube, and it will be on a record that is coming out shortly. Heart to a skinny loving woman. Left with it, she was gone in a moment. I'm left here with a hole where my heart was. Can't explain how it is that she does. She's gone, she's gone. Stay so long, oh yeah. When the sun was shining, stood in the rain so you can't see I was crying. I love this girl and you can tell I ain't lying. Here I stand and a part of me is dying, 'cause she's gone, she's gone. Stay so long, oh yeah. I would trade for $1. If I had to take a bet, well, I'd say she didn't bother. Never come back round, I got a hound dog that'll holler. She's set foot on my porch again, and I'm taking off his collar, 'cause she's gone, she's gone. Say so low, low, hey. Thank you. You can find that one on YouTube and soon to be on Spotify.